One take. How's it going, guys? Brought Bandit down to Atlantic City. I want to get you a little bit of footage before. Got my boy down here, Ant, with the Harley Davidson edition, looking clean. Dirty right now, but we gotta clean them. About 4-hour drive down. It's like 240 miles. Actually, no crazy bugs, no crazy rock chips. But as soon as we left Albany, New York, I don't know if you can see this. There's like scratches right here. There's like two more like kind of like little light gouges in the wrap from a bird that just literally ran right in the side of the truck. But I think the wrap kind of like, well, in this sunlight, the wrap kind of like hides it, but I don't know. Now I'm like considering if I want to actually put this in VIP or not. I mean, it doesn't take away from the absolute god of a build that it is, but you know, now it's just gonna be, I'm gonna be like, oh, people are just gonna stare at that scratch, you know, just to me. But Brandon's looking fucking clean. We got like a nice water scenery down there at the end of the road by our Airbnb, so we might go down there and take some shots. I'll put those on the Instagram. I got a couple rollers of the 6.0 on the highway. Couldn't throw my GoPro in the other truck to get rollers on this, so I'll probably get rollers on the way back. But just want to give you guys a little quick update. Bandit's down in Atlantic City, looking clean. Interior is still clean. Got the missus here. First truck show with Bandit. She's out. Finally got like time off work, so this is good. But when we get some more shots to get some more rollers, and I'll give you an update later on.
Times and laughs that I shared yesterday that I have today.